Jantar Mantar, which has been quiet for the last few months, has finally got a new lease of life, courtesy of India's favorite protester, Anna Hazare. In fact, let's just get a shot of the news channels that are covering this. We have every news channel here, from NDTV to India Today, TV18, and the best part about it is, Anna isn't even here. Anna is down the street at a separate protest, but that hasn't changed the amount of coverage he's getting. However, while the media is going crazy covering this, there's another smaller protest that I'm interested in that isn't getting any attention at all. So let's go check that out. So I'm here with
Deven Tiwari from Delhi University, Mathematics Research Scholar.
Everyone else can't wait to get out of college and stop studying. They're here protesting because they want to study further.
We are protesting for hike in fellowship.
So since when have you guys been protesting?
It's been almost 10 days that we people are on protest. We have started with our hunger strike on 17th of this month.
All of you are on hunger strike here?
We are not at present on hunger strike because we are terminated after the Shiva got hospitalized. But the movement is not stopped yet. We have not terminated our movement. We had a meeting with the DST people also. We had a meeting with the HRD, but it really didn't work well.
So you had a meeting with the HRD minister or with the HRD ministry?
No, we have a meeting with the MHRD ministry. We had a meeting with the PA of Smriti Irani. That too on the 4th day when the protest was being on the hike. When all the people, like the mob when was gathered, about 200 to 300.
At present, you guys seem to be a very small group. There are just a couple of you here. Can you explain the way you guys are, managing this protest? Because you guys are all PhD students, and apparently you have a very organized way of rotation, right? So can you tell us how you guys are doing that?
We have planned according to the timelines. We have divided our times according to the groups.
So you guys are protesting in shifts?
Yes.
So how much longer are you guys going to sit here?
It's a shift of 6 hours. 6 hours we have divided.
Do you think that having an HRD minister like Smriti Irani, who, for example, is not a college graduate or doesn't have a background like that, do you think that that plays a part in how seriously your protest is being taken and your concerns are being taken?
This is a kind of problem. What exactly should I say? The government must take some necessary action before selecting such kind of minister.
When you were growing up and your parents were telling you, become scientist and things like that, this isn't what you expected to be doing.
No, I, being a parent, will never advise my children to become a scholar. Especially in India. Never. Never.
If you enjoyed that, click up here to support us and down here to subscribe. Be sure to check out our older episodes and the other stuff we do, like Can You Take It, I Agree, panel discussions, comics and animations, and much, much more.